Hello everyone. This will be our 11th video on how to integrate for Asset Management Analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to dig deeper into the scalability and extensibility of the multi-agent system with AI. I am interested in how this system can be adapted to cover other positions, departments, or specialized roles within our organization. I would also like to better understand how we can ensure its performance as it expands and how it might influence organizational culture.
Interesting questions you raise. Scalability is one of the greatest strengths of our system. Thanks to its modular architecture, we can extend its use beyond Asset Management Analyst, adapting it to other critical areas or very specialized roles that would otherwise be complicated or costly to cover in a traditional way. In addition, its flexibility allows us to make adjustments on the fly as your business needs evolve.
That sounds very promising. Could you give me some examples of how it can be applied in different areas of the company?
Of course. For example, if we want to fill positions in areas such as risk analysis, project management, predictive maintenance, or strategic planning roles, we can adjust the system. We have several strategies. Integration with internal profiles. We adapt the multi-agent infrastructure so that they communicate and complement the work of the employees already in the company, helping them to improve their efficiency and reducing the daily operational load. Fully autonomous operation. We increase the number of agents to perform functions independently without the need for constant supervision, which is especially useful in repetitive or data-intensive tasks. Hybrid model. We allow external or internal human personnel to supervise and control the system, intervening only when necessary. This is ideal for processes where human validation is required before critical decisions are made.
I understand. Flexibility is key. That way, we can choose the degree of automation according to our needs and available resources. But is there any limit to the scalability of the system?
Exactly. If we have in-house experts, the system can work in a complementary way, leveraging their capabilities. On the other hand, in areas where it is difficult to find specialized talent, we can configure the agents to operate autonomously, reducing dependence on external personnel. In terms of limits, the main factor to consider is the data infrastructure and how we scale the storage and processing of information to ensure performance as we increase the number of agents.
That implies a significant reduction in costs and an optimization in hiring, right?
By automating repetitive and operational tasks, we reduce the costs associated with hiring and training specialized personnel. In addition, human errors are minimized, which optimizes processes and improves the overall efficiency of the organization. Another important aspect is that by reducing dependency on certain critical profiles, we mitigate the risk of hard-to-fill vacancies.
And how would this scalability be managed in practical terms? What changes would we have to make to our current infrastructure?
Scalability is based on the modular architecture of the system. Agents are designed to easily integrate with other existing platforms and systems, such as ERP, CRM, CMMS, or monitoring systems. To extend the scope of the system, new agents are simply configured or existing agents are adapted to cover new functions. In addition, communication between agents is done using standard protocols, which facilitates integration without the need to restructure the entire infrastructure. To maximize performance, we could consider a migration to cloud solutions that offer dynamic scalability according to demand.
And in terms of control, how do you decide between a fully autonomous operation and a hybrid model?
The choice depends on several factors: the availability of internal talent, the complexity of the tasks to be automated, and the level of risk we want to assume. A fully autonomous model is ideal for well-defined and repetitive processes, while the hybrid model is better in critical areas where human supervision is necessary to validate decisions or adjust parameters. My recommendation is that in the first phase of implementation for the pilot, it should be hybrid to polish and adjust on alerts or recommendations that AI can give. This would serve as a training and adaptation mode, not only for the AI, but also for the human staff. Thus, we get the efficiency of automation without losing the capacity for human intervention when it is crucial.
It seems to me to be a very flexible solution. What additional benefits do we expect from extending this system to other areas?
In addition to cost reduction and resource optimization, the scalability of the system will allow us to unify the management of data and processes throughout the organization. This will give us a global and coherent vision of your operations, facilitating decision-making at the corporate level. It will also improve communication between departments by working on the same centralized platform, reducing information fragmentation. Finally, access to real-time data will allow for greater agility in responding to market changes or specific business needs.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to seeing how this system is implemented and how we can adapt it to maximize its impact in different areas of the company. Can you give me the contact of someone to further advance these issues to implement it in our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.